Blogger Angie Holden of the Country Chic Cottage creates every single day, but she especially loves to make decorations for the holidays. Today she's sharing with us her ideas for making candy ornaments with her 3 children for their own home and to give as gifts. You're going to really enjoy this project because you probably have some of these things laying around the house. You're going to need some tissue paper or sparkle wrap, styrofoam balls, the size is up to you depending on how big you want your candy lozenges to be, some mini rubber bands, twine and ribbon, some clear glue, and of course your trusty scissors. So to get started, we're going to make the version with the tissue paper, and we're going to use just the clear, plain white styrofoam balls. You're going to cut some squares or rectangles of tissue paper, and really you can eyeball this, it's not that specific. And we're going to add just a little dab of clear glue on top so that it holds tightly for us. And we're going to roll up the ball just like it was a piece of candy and use a little bit of that glue. I still have some on my fingers. And then give it a little twist, just like this, just the way the candies are. And then we're going to go ahead and use the little mini rubber bands. I think they're so handy, and your kids probably already have some laying around the house to hold it closed. Now what we're going to do is have our little pieces of ribbon together and just tie them into a garland. Now I'm going to show you another version too. This time we're going to use the painted balls. So if you've got some paint to match your sparkle wrap, it kind of makes it look super fancy. And this time we're going to go ahead and squish it first before we wrap it up. Just like this. There we go. I kind of like the sound it makes. Isn't that funny? It sounds like, I don't know, little squishies. Now we're going to do the same thing. Add that dab of glue. And we're going to give it a little roll up. It's fun because this is the kind of thing you could do with everybody sitting around the dining room table. Some people can be painting, some people could be squishing, some people can be twisting and tying. And before you know it, you're going to have a great garland. And you know, here's the thing too. This one is kind of in a Christmas theme, but you could have just a general candy garland for any holiday celebration or for a birthday party. You could hang it up for Sweetest Day or Valentine's Day, depending on the color of sparkle wrap or tissue paper that you've got. So here's another one ready to go. And I've got a little chain started here. You can kind of see how it's coming together. And don't feel like even all of the ribbon has to match. You can use odds and ends of yarn or twine or whatever you've got. So I'm going to tie these together. Probably you should alternate them. I didn't do that just now, but that would probably be a good idea. But you've got a lot of opportunities to play, explore, and have fun with a sweet treat.